Welcome to Cadence Design Systems Fidelity Tutorial Tuesday, where we show you how to use a feature or demonstrate a technique in just a few minutes. Today, I would like to introduce you to a new feature in Fidelity 2024.1, which lets you automatically create connections between any two boundaries. The connections can be periodic connections within the same domain, or a rotor-stator connection between two domains with different rotational speeds, or a full non-matching connection between any two boundaries. Apart from creating fluid-fluid connections, this tool can also be used for solid-solid and fluid-solid connections, which are very useful in conjugate heat transfer applications. To use this feature, the user needs to open the Connection Manager window, then select the domain or domains in which they would like to search for connections, and click on the Search Connections button. If the user needs to create only a particular type of connection, then they can activate or deactivate the appropriate checkboxes before clicking on the Search Connections button. Once the tool is run, the connections that are created by the tool are listed in the Connection Manager window. The tool automatically detects the type of connection and selects it from the list, but the user is also free to change this if needed. In this example, there is a turbo machine with two stators and a rotor. Therefore, the tool automatically creates two rotor-stator connections between the rotating and the stationary domains and creates three periodic connections between the periodic phases of each row. The boundaries linked to the connection can be viewed by expanding the tree to view both sides of the connection. In order to allow the detection of periodic connection, it is essential that the user specifies the periodicity of the domain. For a turbo machinery configuration, this can be done by directly entering the periodicity of the row in the Row Parameters properties panel. For a general topology, the user can add a rotational degree of freedom element to the particular domain in the domain context and then provide the rotation axis, center of rotation, and the periodicity. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, be sure to click the thumbs up button or subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, drop us a line below or connect with us via LinkedIn, which is linked in the description. Thank you all and have a pleasant Tuesday.